Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important question of reasoning section analogy part. Your first question is perilous, uncertain, slack question mark. So our first group is perilous and uncertain. What is the relation between perilous and uncertain? See here, perilous is similar to uncertain. So what is the similar word of slack from option A, option B, option C and option D? See here, tedious is the similar word of slack. So our correct answer is tedious. They are given option B, tedious. Our next question is 23, 48, 35 question mark. Your first group 23 and 48. What is the relation between 23 and 48? See here, 23 into 2 plus 2, what? 48. By the same logic, we get 35 into 2 plus 2, 72. So our correct answer is 72. Here given option B, 72. Our next question is Carpo Jupiter, Pandora question mark. So see the first group, Carpo and Jupiter. So Carpo is a moon of Jupiter. So Pandora, whose moon? So see here, Pandora is the name of moon of Saturn. So Pandora is a moon of Saturn. So our correct answer is Saturn. So here option given, option A, Saturn. Our next question is GTFC MYLH. First group given GTFC and MYLH. Second group KMFE and question mark. So see here, what is the relation between first group G and M? See here, G plus 5 M, then T and Y, T plus 5 Y, then F and L, F plus 5 L, then C and H, C plus 5 H. So by same logic, we get K plus 5 P, M plus 5 R, F plus 5 L, T plus 5 K. So P R L K is the correct answer. Here given option A, P R L K. Our next question is Greece, Athens, Kenya question mark. So first group given Greece and Athens. So we know that Athens is the capital of Greece. Here Athens is the capital of Greece. So what is the capital of Kenya? Here Nairobi is the capital of Kenya. Nairobi is the capital of Kenya. So here option given option B. Our correct answer is option B.